Buzz the Bee from the Cheerios, Honey Nut Cheerios to be exact. Let's draw a little bit here. We'll just start it off with a little whoop-de-doo there. That'll be the top of his head. And here's some more eyebrows. Here like this and that. Just like that. Looking good already. Alright, we'll bring his face down here like that. There we go. A little bit of wrinkle there, and then we'll bring the other end of his face down here. How about some big cheeks for the bee? Buzz likes the big cheeks, he does, just like that. Alright, and let's not forget his chin right about here. Looking nice, everyone, looking good. Okay, now, here the inside of his cheeks here, just like that. And he's got some big old eyes, he does, right here, just like that. Bring that up around there like that. And then this one we're going to bring around the whole way, just like that and that. Okie dokie. Let's not forget his nose here. There we are. And now we can bring this one up here, just like that. And Buzz has got some black eyes here. I'll do that there like that and that. Make a little circle in there like that. That's always fun. And then we'll color the rest of the eye in black just for fun there. There we go. Now Buzz has a big smile, he does. Give him a little whip-de-doo there, that's fun. All right. Smile away, Buzz. There we go. Buzz the Honey Nut Cheerio Bee. Big old smile he does. There we are. Super duper. Now Buzz has got some feelers he does here, just like that. Make it all swirly, like that's fun. And we'll make a second one here like this over top of the first and swirl that out. Now if you're so inclined, you can thicken that out and do that there like that, and do the same with the second one so they meet up. We can color that in black now, or you can do it later when we get to the color. Looking good either way. Sweet. Alrighty. Now what we do is we're gonna go to the neck. The neck comes down like this. There we go, and he's got another turtleneck. A lot of these serial cartoon characters seem to have turtlenecks. There we go, just like that. That's fun. Now let's make Buzz stand as if he's got his arms on his hips here. We'll do that. There, one there. Bring the elbows on out like this and that. There we are. Looking sweet. Let's bring his tummy on down like this. Buzz has got a bit of a tummy. He's a bee after all. He likes his honey. There we go. Alrighty. Now you bring his arm here, just like this. Down like this. And we'll do the same over here. This one here. And bring his arm around like that. Alright. And we'll bring the other side of his back of his body down here like this. And we can't forget he's got a bit of a stinger, he does. He is a bee after all. So I'll give him a bit of a stinging tail. Oh, I like it. Alrighty. Now, Buzz has got some funny sleeves here, he does. Just like that. Alright. And then just like this a bit here. Like that. Make his hand come out like that a bit. That's his finger. And on this side here, we'll just do this. Bring that on down like that. There we go. Bring it on in. There's another finger there just for fun. And then his thumb can be there. Very nice, everybody. Alrighty. Now let's bring the bottom of his body in like this. And we'll meet it up with the leg right about here. And then why don't we cross his legs over for fun? That's always good. Right about here. Bring this leg here like this. Around like that. This leg can continue down here like that. Right on through the back. There we are. Looking sweet. I'll bring a couple of lines here like this because Buzz is a bee and he's got some streaks of yellow that we're going to color in later there. Maybe over here too we'll do the same. Just like this. That. I like that. Very nice. Alrighty. Now what we gotta do is draw his feet. Give it a bit of a funny bit here at the top of his feet. And then we'll give him some shoes. What do you say? Just like this. There we are. And then we'll bring a heel up here like this. Bring this one down like this. Very nice, everybody. We're looking good. Now what we gotta do is draw on his wings. His wings will be behind him here. So here we go. Let's start right about here. Wing number 1, just like that. And wing number 2 over here like that. There we are. Give it a bit of texture in there. Sweet. It's Buzz the Honey Nut Cheerio Bee. Let's get to that color. Buzz has yellow skin, black pants and stinger, orange shirt. Thanks, everyone.